There are no highways, however, that can bring Black River and the many other towns and villages in St. Elizabeth to within 1 hour's drive from any international airport that existed now or is planned to be built. Hence, the government need to get started in building the new airport in St. Elizabeth that can start earning an extra $1 billion US per year for the Jamaican economy. Then using the income from that investment to build roads, to build health centers, to build schools and colleges in those rural communities. Not to mention providing the job opportunities for our youth and keeping them out of crime, reducing the homicide rates, etc. St. Elizabeth needs its own tourism developments to provide jobs for local people in St. Elizabeth.
Jamaica has welcomed over 1.5 million visitors, with provisional gross earnings exceeding $1.6 billion since the start of the year. Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett provided the update at the 41st Caribbean Hotel and Tourism Association (CHTA) Caribbean Travel Marketplace in Barbados. In celebrating Jamaica's tourism achievement up to May, he points out that the latest figures outperformed the projected target. The minister says there will be increased marketing efforts, the expansion of air traffic connectivity, and expanded accommodations to continue driving the tourism boom. He has also highlighted the Blue Ocean and Destination Assurance Framework strategies as strong pillars that are vital to the development of a resilient and sustainable tourism product. Meanwhile, Jamaica will be hosting the CHTA's 42nd Caribbean Travel Marketplace to be held next May in Montego Bay. The announcement was made jointly by Minister Bartlett and President of the CHTA, Nicola Madden-Grigg, during the Destination Update press conference in Barbados a few days ago. During this year's event, Minister Bartlett was given the President's Award for Caribbean Excellence in Tourism.
An international airport in St. Elizabeth has the potential to attract 1 million visitors to the three southwestern parishes of Jamaica shortly after it is being built. It is why the new airport should take priority over other investments, such as tackling the issues with the parochial roads in the parish. It is very significant that one understands the above statements, because as soon as it is mentioned about building a new international airport, some people tend to start thinking that if the money is available to build an airport, why is that money not spent on fixing the local roads instead? The reality is that whether the government is going to fix all the local roads in the parish, or the government is going to build an airport, the cost will be about $1 billion just for all the parochial roads in St. Elizabeth alone. The government does not have that money, neither for the roads or for the airport. Hence, the money will need to be borrowed. Before the government can borrow that amount of money, the government will need to think how it will pay back that amount of money, because the parochial roads will not be generating much funds for the government to pay back the money it used to build the roads. However, even if the airport cost $1 billion to build, it will still be worth it, because with 1 million visitors each year, the airport will be generating $1 billion each year for the Jamaican economy. From this income, the government would be able to pay back the money that it had borrowed to build the airport